Okay, this is going to be just a follow video to the shooting session to test. I'm sorry, to shoot test loads for a 115 grain round nose with bullseye powder and a 115 grain jacketed hollow point also with bullseye powder. So this is pretty much the method of using. I went ahead and just set up several half-cut manila folders with basically a sticker to use a point of aiming, and pretty much did my best, and I didn't feel that I did very well on some of these. You can see this 4.0 3 across. I think I get this one. I got 3 flyers on here on the bottom, but 5. So this is my method of measuring the group size and how they shot. I'll probably just go through them real quick. And put down here the most of them were M&Ps. I had the one VP9, but most of them were M&Ps. So I put down the pistol that was being used. This is a 2.0 5-inch. I'm just going to go through all of them so you can take a look at them. You can see the group sizes on most of them and how I measured them. Now the optic shot very well, but I have to say that probably I was able to concentrate a little bit more with the red dot. So this one shot very well. The VP9 surprisingly gave me outstanding groups with all 3 different loads. You see here 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch, and also 1.75 over here. So excuse me. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I should have highlighted them, but it looks like these 2 M&Ps, the 1.0 4.25 and 4-inch, they pretty much like the 4.5 to 4.6 grains, and the also the this one here with the 1-inch, although the 5 did give me a half an inch with 2 shots. So this one I'm debating about, but I'll determine that one later. The optic, you like the 5.0 and gave me shot groups at 0.75. The 5-inch like the 4.5, which gave me a smaller group at 1 inch with 3 shots. VP9, like I said, all of them, it liked pretty much all of them, so I might go with mid-range, maybe 4.7 with the VP9. And as far as the Sierra jacket hollow point, the 2.0 5-inch like the 5.5, which gave me a 1-inch and a 0.75 with 2 shots, and the 1-inch 4.25, the 1.0, same thing, like the 4.5 at 0.75 with 3 shots. So I think for the jacket hollow point, I'm probably going to go with 4.6, the higher end. For the round nose, I'm also going to go with the 4.6, with the exception of making some 5.0s here, here, and that's it. And then this will also be so I'll probably make a lot more 4.6 grain and a couple of 5.0s. But that's pretty much it. That was go ahead and do the test results. Now my notebook shows that I will also be doing batches for 40 Smith & Wesson at a later date. I will do a video on those. I've done a video before on it when I was doing test loads for the M&P. I will be looking at a different bullet. Trying to remember. I need to use the remaining bit of bullseye. I got that noted here. Oh, here it is. So I got 55 grain and 180 grain. So those are the two bullets that I'm going to be using. I did pick up some primed 40 millimeter shells. I mean 40 Smith & Wesson shells. So I might be using those, or I might be using what shells I have and priming them. But needless to say, I'll shoot a video on how to make a 40, testing with these grains here. And I found out the reason why the powder measure wasn't very consistent. Apparently, there's a better method to do handgun loads. There is a drum and meter for it with that particular powder dispenser that gives it a little bit more accurate. So I will be purchasing that at a later date, so I can use that for pistol loads. But I will be using the square deal to do these loads for 9mm. I haven't determined how many loads I'm going to do for each, but I got enough components for over 3,000 rounds, maybe even 4,000 rounds. So I'll distribute it evenly. Maybe make 1,000, 2,000 4.6, 1,000 5.0s, and something to that matter. But like I said, I just wanted to discuss the results of my testing with you. If you have any questions, comments, and so forth, go ahead and post them. Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate you watching my videos. Take care. Be safe.